Welcome to this free CCNA Packet Tracer Practice Lab. You can download the lab file from the link in the description. If you like these labs, please consider supporting me via my Patreon or the cryptocurrency options in the description. Also, please subscribe to the channel for more labs like this. In this lab, we will troubleshoot inter-VLAN routing in these two small networks, which we just configured in the previous lab. I have made one misconfiguration on each networking device. See if you can find and fix the errors. First, let's test the network of PC1, switch 1, and PC2. I'll try a ping from PC1 in VLAN 10 to PC2 in VLAN 20. Ping 10.0.2.10. It fails. Let's investigate on switch 1. Enable Show IP Interface Brief. Looks like the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 interfaces have the correct IP addresses configured. Show VLAN Brief. Here's our problem. The Fast Ethernet 01 interface to which PC1 is connected has been placed in VLAN 11, not VLAN 10. Let's put F01 into the correct VLAN and see if that solves our issue. Conf T, interface F01. Switch port access VLAN 10. I'll delete VLAN 11 also since we're not using it. Exit. No VLAN 11. Do show VLAN brief. Okay, our VLAN configuration looks good. Let's try that ping from PC1 again. Ping 10.0.2.10. This time the ping is successful. So we have fixed the issue on this network. Now let's test the issue on the next network. I'll try to ping from PC3 in VLAN 30 to PC4 in VLAN 40. Ping 10.0.4.10. The ping is not successful. So let's find the issues. There should be one issue on R2 and one issue on switch 2, according to the lab instructions. I'll investigate on R2 first. Enable. There could be a few problems here, like incorrect IP addresses or encapsulation.1q configurations on the sub-interfaces. I'll use show running config this time. Show run. Our interface gigabit Ethernet 00 is not shut down and two sub-interfaces are configured. They are assigned to the proper VLANs, 30 and 40. However, look at the IP address on the .30 sub-interface. The VLAN 30 subnet is 10.0.3.0/24. So we should fix that. Conf T, interface G00.30. IP address 10.0.3.1, 255.255.255.0. Do show IP interface brief. Okay, now it has the correct IP address, so we fixed the issue on R2. Let's go to switch 2 next. Enable. So the correct configuration on switch 2 should be F01 connected to PC3 in VLAN 30, and F02 connected to PC4 in VLAN 40, and G01 connected to R2 should be a trunk. Let's check. Show VLAN brief. Fast Ethernet 01 and 02 are in the correct VLANs. Show interfaces trunk. However, nothing appears with the show interfaces trunk command. Show run. There's our problem. Gigabit Ethernet 01 is configured as an access port. Actually, in the previous show VLAN brief command, you could see it in VLAN 1. That means it won't pass data from either VLAN 30 or VLAN 40. Let's properly configure it as a trunk. Conf T, interface G01. switch port mode trunk. Do show interfaces trunk. Okay, now we can see the gig01 interface is a trunk. And let's check that VLAN configuration once more. Do show VLAN brief. It is also no longer listed in VLAN 1. So, our inter-VLAN routing in this network should be properly configured. Let's try that ping again once more from PC3 to PC4. Ping 10.0.4.10. Okay, this time the ping works. We have successfully fixed the problems. That's all for this lab. Thank you for watching. I hope this lab and video have been helpful for you. Please subscribe for future labs like this, which will be released weekly. If you have requests for any specific labs, let me know in the comment section. If you want to support my channel, I accept Bitcoin and Ethereum donations via the addresses in the description. I am also a Brave verified publisher and accept BAT, or Basic Attention Token, donations in the Brave browser.